to flood the news with stories of the ideas and policies that Conservatives are talking about and debating and advancing those?
Most definitely. I think that's why when you saw Andrew Scheer's response today, I thought he was rather determined and focused. It's one thing for a leadership. Some of the things that motivates him in public office and ultimately lay out some of that vision. For Canadians that want lower taxes, less government debt, and more responsible fiscal decisions, I think they're going to continue to find that in the Conservative Party of Canada and the party itself.